The Apple iPhone 13, 128GB in midnight, remains one of the most balanced iPhones Apple has ever produced. As part of Amazon's renewed range, this model is refurbished and tested to function like new, offering consumers a chance to experience flagship-level performance without the flagship price tag. This review evaluates the product from an objective standpoint, considering design, performance, camera quality, battery life, value for money, and the unique considerations of buying a renewed device. At first glance, the iPhone 13's design exudes premium quality. The familiar flat-edged aluminium frame, glass back, and ceramic shield front make it feel solid and modern. The midnight color, a dark, blue-tinted black, looks elegant and understated, suitable for both personal and professional use. Despite being a few years old, the design still feels contemporary. The device is comfortable to hold, weighing about 174 grams, and the buttons are tactile and well positioned. As this is a renewed unit, slight cosmetic imperfections can occur. Amazon's renewed program usually guarantees a product free from major scratches or cracks, but very close inspection may reveal minor wear. Functionally, the phone is expected to perform identically to a new device. The iPhone 13 features a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, one of the best screens in its class. With a resolution of 2532 x 1170 pixels and a peak brightness of 800 nits, 1200 nits for HDR content, colors appear vivid, blacks are true, and contrast is excellent. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or scrolling social media, the screen delivers crisp visuals and excellent viewing angles. Compared to many Android devices at similar refurbished prices, this OLED panel remains a major strength. Renewed buyers should note that, while most refurbishers use original Apple screens, some may use third-party replacements. These often look fine but may slightly differ in brightness or color accuracy. The A15 Bionic chip inside the iPhone 13 is still incredibly capable. Apps open instantly, multitasking feels effortless, and gaming performance is top-tier. Even demanding tasks such as 4K video editing or augmented reality applications run smoothly. Benchmark performance places the A15 ahead of most mid-range Android processors even today, making it a strong performer for long-term use. The 128GB storage version provides a comfortable balance between capacity and cost. It's enough for thousands of photos, videos, and apps for the average user. Renewed units should not differ in performance, provided they've been properly reset and tested. Any slowdown would most likely relate to battery condition, not hardware. Apple's camera quality is consistently excellent, and the iPhone 13 continues the tradition. The dual 12MP system, wide and ultra-wide, captures detailed, color-accurate images with impressive dynamic range. In daylight, photos are crisp, natural, and balanced. The sensor's improved low-light capabilities mean nighttime or indoor shots are significantly better than older iPhones. The cinematic mode adds a professional touch for video creators by automatically shifting focus between subjects, simulating shallow depth of field. Video recording in 4K HDR with Dolby Vision remains one of the best on any smartphone, delivering smooth, professional quality footage. Renewed buyers should confirm that the camera modules have been tested or replaced if necessary. Damaged lenses or sensors can occasionally occur in refurbished stock, but Amazon's renewed guarantee covers such issues within the return window. Battery life was one of the iPhone 13's strongest improvements over the iPhone 12. A full charge typically lasts a full day of moderate use, sometimes longer with light usage. However, with a renewed model, battery health is an important variable. Amazon's renewed standards typically require at least 80% of original battery capacity, but actual performance may vary depending on refurbisher. Users who depend heavily on battery endurance should check the device's battery health setting upon setup. Charging options include 20W wired fast charging, via Lightning, MagSafe magnetic charging, and Qi wireless compatibility. The iPhone 13 runs iOS 18, or later updates, which brings Apple's hallmark stability, security, and ecosystem integration. Apple typically provides at least 5 to 6 years of software support, meaning the iPhone 13 will remain current well into the late 2020s. Features like iCloud, AirDrop, FaceTime, and Apple Pay all function seamlessly. A refurbished device is eligible for the same updates and App Store access as a brand new model. If you already use an iPad, Mac, or Apple Watch, the iPhone 13 integrates perfectly into your existing Apple environment. Buying renewed is about value and trust. A renewed iPhone 13 usually costs 25 to 35% less than buying new, making it an appealing choice for budget-conscious Apple fans. That said, the buying experience can vary. Some refurbishers replace batteries, screens, or housings entirely, others only test and clean. Amazon's renewed guarantee provides a 1-year replacement or refund policy if the device doesn't perform as expected, which offers peace of mind. It's recommended to check the battery health immediately after setup. Inspect for screen tint, camera focus issues, or touch irregularities. Keep packaging and documentation in case a return is needed. When purchased new, the iPhone 13 was a premium device. As a renewed unit, it becomes a mid-range bargain with flagship quality. Its combination of powerful hardware, stunning display, and long-term software support makes it highly competitive in the refurbished market. Against comparably priced Android alternatives, the iPhone 13 offers superior ecosystem stability, longer updates, and better resale value. The only major drawbacks are potential wear and uncertain battery life, but these are manageable risks given the savings. The Apple iPhone 13, 128GB, Midnight, renewed, delivers nearly all the performance, design quality, and camera excellence of a brand new Apple flagship at a more accessible price. While buying renewed always carries minor uncertainties, especially around cosmetic condition and battery health, the Amazon renewed guarantee mitigates much of that risk. Most users seeking a premium iPhone experience without paying for the latest model, this is a smart, sustainable, and cost-effective choice. Pros and cons. Pros. Flagship performance, A15 Bionic chip remains fast and efficient. Excellent display, OLED screen offers vibrant colors and high brightness. Strong camera system, superb photo and video quality with advanced features like cinematic mode and Dolby Vision. Solid build, premium materials, durable ceramic shield glass. Long software support, iOS updates for several more years. Eco-friendly, refurbished purchase reduces electronic waste. Lower price, significant savings over new models. Amazon renewed guarantee, 1-year replacement/refund policy adds security. Cons. Battery condition varies, may not hold charge as long as new devices. Possible cosmetic wear, minor scratches or marks are possible. No Apple warranty, typically covered by Amazon's warranty, not Apple's. Replacement parts risk, some units may use third-party screens or batteries. Older design, lacks newer features like dynamic island or always-on display found on newer iPhones. Overall rating, 4.5 out of 5, an excellent value choice for those wanting Apple's premium performance and ecosystem in a more affordable, sustainable package. To get your renewed iPhone 13, please click on the link in the description. We are Amazon affiliates, so we get a small commission from our link. This does not affect the price.